Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how I make my pressed highlighters, handmade pressed highlighters. I apologize for the light, but I feel like the light is gonna change throughout the video since the sun is out, but sometimes the clouds come. But anyways, like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. So let's get right into the video. I'm gonna show you guys the materials that I'll be using. So let's get started. So of course, I have my tins. My little tins, I believe they're 36 centimeters. Yeah, I believe that's right. And then I have my gloves, of course. And then I have 2 spoons because I'm going to try to do my 2 highlighters. And then I have 2 pipettes. I don't even know how to say it. But this one, one is for the alcohol, and then one is for the vanilla flavoring, by which I have right here. Okay. And then here is my gold mica that I got off of AliExpress. AliExpress has a lot of different cosmetic micas. I got this off of AliExpress for a really good amount. And then I got this ivory lace, I believe 1 ounce, off of TKB Trading. TKB Trading is a very trusted cosmetic website. I really recommend it. And then this is my presser. So my presser, of course, is a what's it called? My presser isn't a presser, but I'm making it work. This works really well. So I'm gonna show you my so this is my highlighter that I've made. It's so pretty. And I used this as the presser and it worked really well. So anyways, now let's get right into the video. I'm gonna put on my gloves, and then I'm gonna sanitize my little tins or whatever they're called.
Of course, if you have a business, and even if you don't have a business, and you just want to do this at home for yourself, I still would recommend to wear gloves because this is extremely messy, very messy. It really is, and it's not so nice. It will get everywhere. Even if you're wearing gloves, it will get all over you, and it sucks. But I mean, it is what it is.
So I have my white bowl, and then I have my 91% of alcohol. So I just take off the cap, you know. So let's get started. I think I'm gonna go with the gold because the gold is it's more bold and it looks amazing. So I'm grabbing this. Well, actually, first let me sanitize my tins.
Because, I don't want to, accidentally drop it all on me or something. Okay. So here goes my alcohol, so then I'm just gonna wipe them. This is literally blinding me. This is a really long process, especially once you start mixing all the ingredients together. So for this highlighter will only have 3 ingredients. Flavoring oil is optional, but I really recommend it. I honestly do. Okay, there you go. Now I'm putting the back of this. Okay, that looks good. Ooh, okay, and then now I'm gonna do the next one. But yeah, I really recommend the flavoring oil because of course the alcohol is really strong. It's really strong, but you don't want to put too much flavoring oil because, like I said, you're gonna leave the highlighters out. You're gonna leave them out all night, and then the thing you're gonna get, it's actually splendid. I don't know.
So here you go. I put it right here. I don't put it in the middle. I don't like it at the middle. Then I'm gonna do another big one, because like I said, you're gonna have to use a lot of product. There you go. I think this is all right. I'm gonna add a tiny bit more. Actually, I'm gonna add this much more. Yep, that's about it. There you go. That's how it looks. Now, here you go. There you go. Now I'm putting the alcohol. I wish you guys could see, but I don't have the correct you know, what's it called? I don't have my little ring light thing. It used to fold and stuff. And since now I have a bigger phone, I didn't even think that would work out well. Okay, so then now, yeah, I'm gonna have to add more. So I'm doing 3 of these filled up to the 15, I don't even know, 15 ml. I honestly don't even know. Okay, now that's getting more together. It's not exactly powder anymore. So then now I'm gonna mix it around carefully, because I don't want to move it around too much, because then it's gonna be hard to get all the product and it's you're wasting the product. So you see how it's kind of clumpy. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. I'm gonna put it probably right here. So then now I try to do like a small amount, but it doesn't work out that way all the time. So I might be blocking how it looks, but basically what you want to do is like smooth it out. Yeah, you're gonna want to smooth it out. Yeah. Make sure it's like kind of evenly distributed on the little tint thing. There you go. Right, I mean it's kind of distributed, but so I don't know if y'all can see or not, but that's how it looks. Y'all can't really see it because the light is so weird. So then now oh my god, I feel like this is such a horrible video. Okay, so then now it's kind of filled up. It looks like it's filled up all the way, but now it's the pressing part. So the pressing part will absorb, this is how you're gonna do it. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna move my pigment over here. And then this is how you do it. You can grab a piece of like a napkin. You can fold it, whatever. Then you're gonna put it over like that. And like I said, the napkin, of course, is gonna absorb the alcohol and anything else, mostly the alcohol. So then now I'm grabbing my presser. So now I feel where it is, okay? And then I move my finger around to make sure that I'm doing it evenly. Try not to press too hard. But yeah. There you go. Okay, you can see that. Okay. Keep on pressing, and as y'all can see, and sometimes it will stick to here, but that's fine. As y'all can see, the print of it. I don't know if y'all can see the alcohol, but there's alcohol in it. There you go. So then now, this is what it looks like. If you all can see or not, I don't know. That's how it looks like. This actually looks pretty good. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Okay. So then now you're just gonna look at it. Okay, now this is actually filled up all the way. Perfect. Yeah, this is perfect. There you go. So then now here's my ivory lace, and now I'm gonna grab my other spoon and I'm gonna put scoops in it. I guess now this one's gonna be my mixing spoon, since I'm already done with the gold. So now I'm gonna open it. Always open it on the side, because sometimes, like, see, ugh, I don't know if y'all could see that, but okay. So here you go. I'm putting that right here. Yay. Then now I'm gonna do another one right here. And then, like I said, it's the same thing over again. You put the alcohol, then you put the flavoring, and yeah. So then now I'm gonna put the alcohol. Now I'm gonna start putting it in the little tin thing. Oh yeah, this is a lot of product. Oh yeah, this is like the perfect amount of product. And sometimes when you press down on it, once you start pressing down on it, at times, like some product will overflow, and that's fine because you'll be able to clean it. Like I said, this is really messy, but it's like you can't avoid the mess, honestly. Okay.
Definitely gonna overflow, but that's perfectly fine because I have more product. Of course, you want to move your hand around to make sure that you're like getting it evenly. Oh yeah, I see it. So there you go. So I know, oh yeah, this definitely overflowed. But that is.
So sometimes you just have to continue trying. See, it's not smooth at all. So then now I'm gonna continue trying to smooth it out. See, like I said, it's not gonna come out perfect the first time. It's not like that all the time. Sometimes it is, but not all the time. So like I said, you want to continue. Okay, please. Okay, here you go. Honestly, I might just keep it like this, because I don't want to mess it up even more. So I'm gonna let it dry. Y'all can't even see it. Yeah, so I'm gonna let it dry. It's not that perfect, but like I said, this is homemade. So, I mean, there is gonna be imperfections. So I hope you guys like and subscribe. Enjoy this video. It was long, and unfortunately you guys couldn't like see all the visuals of me mixing it, but anyways, I mean, here's the video. So this is how I make my homemade pressed highlighters, and yeah.